Assalamualaikum. My name is Ridwan Siddiq bin Kiswari. My number metric is 10DKM21F1126. So I will explain about chapter 1. So the introduction. Lathe is machining tool that is used primarily for shaping metal or wood. It works by rotating the workpiece around a stationary cutting tool. The main use is to remove unworn part of the material, leaving behind the nicely shaped workpiece. The workshop practice course makes students competent to handle practical work in engineering environment. The late workshop is also involved in different maintenance or repair work for the polytechnic. A lathe is machine tool used to shape wooden or metallic product. It furnishes it furnish a wooden or metal piece by rotating it about an axis, while a stationary cutting tool keeps removing unworn material from the workpiece to form the desired shape. So, this is function of maintenance organization. First is maintenance manager. Know the level of safety and comfort of user. Make maintenance a specialized and professional task, and give feedback in the design process. Number 2, mechanical superintendent. Carrying out research tasks, giving advice, and designing production machinery, plant, and industrial equipment. Develop the industrial system and ensure that the system works. Perform maintenance and repair work if there is damage. Number 3, safety superintendent. Teach a user to handle material in the welding workshop in a correct and safety manner. Make an inspection first to make sure whether the damaged item is under control or not under control. And the last, workshop service superintendent. Provide a checklist on the part of the welding machine, gas, cutter, and those in the welding workshop. Create work instruction and work card before doing maintenance.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Al-Haziq bin Muhammad Ali, and my matrix number is 10DKM21F1132. And today I will be talking about chapter 2, which is about workshop layout. So workshop layout refers to the physical arrangement and organization of a workspace where activities such as manufacturing, repairing, fabrication, and other similar tasks are carried out. An effective workshop layout is crucial for optimizing productivity, ensuring safety, and promoting efficiency in workflow. Here's an introduction to the key aspects, or we can call as key aspects and considerations involving in a workshop layout. Firstly is about space utilization. Efficient use of available space is fundamental. The layout should accommodate equipment, machinery, workstations, storage areas, or other similar ways in a way that minimizes congestion and maximizes accessibility. Secondly is about workflow design. The arrangement should facilitate a logical flow of work, allowing for smooth movement of materials, tools from one station to another. Proper sequencing of tasks can enhance productivity and reduce unnecessary movement. Thirdly is about zoning and segregation. For example, by dividing the workshop into different zones based on their functions and processes. This can streamline the operation. For instance, separating noisy or hazardous equipment from quieter workstations, or allocating specific areas for specific tasks. And this can enhance safety and efficiency. Okay, next is about ergonomics. By designing workstations and tools to promote ergonomic principles is vital to ensure the comfort, safety, and well-being of workers. And this includes considerations such as proper seating, workstation heights, and minimizing repetitive strain. Next is about equipment placement. Strategic placement of machinery tools and utilities such as power outlets, compressed air, and similar things should be planned to optimize workflow and accessibility. Consideration of equipment usage, frequency, and interdependent. Okay, thank you. That is all for chapter 2. We continue talking about chapter 3, which is about maintenance planning and maintenance scheduling. In the dynamic field of maintenance, having the right tools and equipment is paramount to ensuring efficiency, safety, and also optimal performance of industrial systems and facilities. Whether you are overseeing preventive maintenance schedules, troubleshooting equipment failures, or implementing predictive maintenance strategies. So this curated list aims to equip you with the necessary resources to streamline your operations and also maximize your assets reliability. From precision instruments for condition monitoring to robust machinery for repairs and also overhauls. Each item on this list serves a vital role in the maintenance life cycle. Additionally, we've included cutting-edge technologies designed to enhance productivity and minimize downtime, aligning with the modern principles of maintenance. So whether you are a seasoned maintenance engineer or a building manager looking to optimize your maintenance practices, this list provides a comprehensive array of equipment to support your endeavors. Let's delve into the tools and technologies that will empower you to achieve. So below my report, I have listed all of the tools and equipments and their condition. Okay, thank you.
Chapter 4 Standard Operation Produce SOP. Introduction. A detailed written document that outlines step-by-step instructions for carrying out a specific task or process in consistent and standard manner. SOP are commonly used in business environments to user employee understand how to perform their duty effectively and consistently regardless of personal change or individual preference. Significant standard operation produce SOP. Safety. The mission SOP help ensure the safety of the operator and the people around him by explaining the steps that must be followed to operate the machine safely and avoid accidents. First, consistency of quality. Following the set SOP, the machine will be operated in the same way every time, ensuring consistency in quality of the product produced. This helps prevent defect or production errors. Operational efficiency. Machine SOP help improve operational efficiency by providing step-by-step guidance on how to use the machine optimally. This can reduce production downtime and increase productivity. Chapter 5 Maintenance Planning and Scheduling. Introduction to maintenance planning. Maintenance planning encompasses the development of comprehensive strategy and frameworks to ensure the maintenance activity are executed efficiently and effectively. It involves the following key elements. 1. Asset assessment and inventory. Identify and catalog all asset requirement maintenance, including their critically condition and historical performance data. Maintenance strategy. Developing maintenance strategy based on factors like asset critically reliability and center maintenance. Preventive maintenance or proactive maintenance. Resource allocation. Planning allocating resources as manpower, tool, spare part and budget to execute maintenance tasks effectively. Documentation and procedure. Creating detailed documentation, standard operating procedures, and work instructions for various maintenance tasks to ensure consistency and safety. Risk management: identify potential risks associated with equipment failure and developing contingency plan to mitigate this. Introduction to maintenance schedule. Maintenance schedule involves the organization and optimization of maintenance tasks within a predetermined time frame. It includes the following key aspects: task prioritization, analyzing maintenance tasks based on critically safety consideration, regulatory requirement, and operational needs. Schedule develop maintenance schedule the outline when specific maintenance activity will be performed, considering equipment availability, production schedule, and downtime window. Coordinating activity between maintenance team, operation, and other relevant stakeholders to minimize disruption and optimize workflow. Optimization: continuously reviewing and refining schedule to optimize resource utilization, minimize downtime, and improve overall efficiency. Feedback and improvement: collecting data and feedback post-maintenance to evaluate the effectiveness of the schedule and identify error for improvement.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Shahira binti Syaidan. My metric number is 10DKM20F2029. Chapter 6, Safety Precautions. Introduction. Before we enter the workshop or laboratory, we need to know about the safety in the workshop or laboratory. At the initial stage, the lecturer will explain the safety rule to the students. Safety rule in the workshop should be learned from time to time. This is because we will start working with electrical equipment and electronic tool. When we work, we will need to be vigilant to provide an unwanted incident from happening. This cause of safety related to this electronic device need to know, and good and safe word habit should be always practiced. Like ways to enable all words or equipment to be in good condition. Security can be defined as a start from begin, safe or avoiding danger and disaster. Safety rule must be communicated to use to prevent accidents, as stated in the occupational. Safety can be defined as a start from begin, safe or avoiding danger and disaster. Safety rule must be communicated to use to prevent accidents, as stated in the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 (OSHA). The employer is responsible from providing information and instruction, training, and supervision, as well as facility to ensure the safety and healthy of employer. Next, Lathe machine safety guidelines. Make sure that the chuck, dry plate, and faceplate is securely into the lathe spinner. When removed, do not use machine's power. Move the tool bed a safe distance from the collet or chuck when inserting or remove work. Always clamp the tool bed as short as impossible to the tool holder to prevent it from breaking or shattering. Always make sure the tool bed is sharp and has the proper clearing. It work to turn between center. Make sure the proper adjustment is made between center and then the third shot is locked in place. If root is begin turn between center and expanded to heat generate from cutting reaches center to avoid accessing friction. Set the tool bed on the center line of your word to provide word from climbing over tool or cutting above center and dragging. Don't cut word completely through when turning between centers. Move chuck key from chuck immediately after use. Turn chuck off faceplate through by hand before turning on the power to be sure that is not bleeding or clearing problem.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Syakir bin Zaidi. My metric number is 10DKM21F1073. I want to talk about Chapter 7, Inventory Management System. First, introduction. An inventory management system for a warehouse of store in computation, approve and set processing amount and oversight, controlling and optimize the storage and movement of goods or product within facility. In Evolver, the management of inventory level, tracking stock movement and ensure accurate store information. Here an introduction to an inventory management system for a warehouse store. Number 1, inventory tracking. Number 2, order management. Number 3, warehouse organization. Number 4, inventory values control. Advantage of inventory management system. Number 1, improve inventory accuracy. Real-time tracking. IMS allow for accurate and up-to-date tracking of inventory level. Minimize error and discrepancy in stock count. Number 2, enhanced efficient in operation. Streaming processing. Automation of inventory related tasks reduce manual effort and streaming operation include ordering, receiving, picking and packing, and shipping faster. Number 3, cost saving and improve financial management. Reduce hold costs, optimize inventory level, prevent asset stock management, holding costs like storage, insurance and depreciation. Number 4, accurate reporting and decision making. Data-driven insight (IMS) generate detailed report and analytics, offering value insight into inventory trend, sale pattern and performance metric. Number 4, inventory optimization, improve supplier change management. Better inventory visibility aid in optimize to the supply chain by identify bottlenecks and improving overall efficiency. Thank you.